How does attacking President Joe Biden help us to put one more nurse at the bedside in an intensive care unit today?
Manitoba's NDP leader quick to respond to Premier Pallister's call to President Joe Biden to give Canada millions of unused vaccines, calling this a desperate measure to shift the blame away from Manitoba's ongoing crisis in our healthcare system.
Who among you on your bingo cards had the Premier of Manitoba attacking the President of the United States for his failure to staff up our intensive care units here in Manitoba?
Wab Kinew quick to address what he says are false statements made by the Premier.
President Biden and the United States of America have been shipping vaccines to Canada since April. Those vaccines get distributed to the provinces, including Manitoba.
Kinew pointed in his criticism of the Premier, saying he has exaggerated the capacity of the vaccine rollout.
He's claimed at various times that everybody would be vaccinated by April, or that we could do 20,000 vaccines a day. None of those claims have ever proven to be true. So again, the number that he floated today, I think, is one that we should doubt seriously.
And as for Pallister claiming Biden said no?
I don't think Mr. Biden has ever said no. I'd be surprised if a plan from Manitoba has ever made its way to the White House.
Kinew says the press conference Saturday was a way for the Pallister government to try and deflect important information from Manitobans.
How many more Manitobans were sent out of province from the ICU? How many more Manitobans are going to be sent out of province from ICUs as a result of this government's failure to invest in healthcare?
Due to the ongoing stress in Manitoba's healthcare system, 5 ICU patients have been sent to Thunder Bay and Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, to free up beds in the province. Manitoba Liberal leader Dougald Lamont responding to Pallister's call with a statement which reads in part, "It is pathetic to call a weekend press conference to pick a fight with the White House. It is a waste of precious time in a crisis. When Manitobans need life preservers, Pallister keeps tossing out anchors." All this political drama comes as Manitoba enters new round of public health restrictions on Saturday, prohibiting any social gatherings outside of your household as the province struggles to cope with the third wave.
What we see is a premier flailing in a desperate attempt to distract from the failures of his government.
In Winnipeg, Alex Karpa, City News.